They are nature's drama queens, operatic in their power, volume, and beauty.
They command attention. They captivate people.
The good news, there are some real showstoppers right in our backyard.
Over 100 waterfalls in Massachusetts that I would say are absolutely worth your time.
Greg Parsons, co-author of New England Waterfalls, a guide to more than 500 cascades and waterfalls. Inspired, we're feeling the need for some falls.
So we're heading off in our four-wheel drive in search of some of the most beautiful spots in the Bay State. The ultimate waterfall road trip.
This is Chronicle on WCVB Channel 5.
The action begins out near the Quabbin, where the quiet hilltop town of Royalston features a trustees trifecta. 3 top-notch waterfalls in one town.
Some of the best waterfalls closest to Boston are in Royalston.
There is Royalston Falls, a dramatic 50-foot horsetail plunge, Spirit Falls, a multi-tiered cascade deep in the woods, and Doan's Falls, a chain of cascades and pools that bump and tumble down into Tully Lake.
It's a short little hike right off the main road. It's easy for people of all ages.
Jessica Shands of the Trustees says Doan's Falls is a good choice for people of all abilities.
There's actually a handicap accessible trail that leads up from the bottom that goes to the bottom falls.
While admiring the power and beauty of Doan's Falls, we spy a familiar face cavorting amidst the hemlock and Hubble bush.
It's just a masterpiece of inspired architecture, you know, and this place is truly grand.
Former Channel 5 reporter David Bowery made the move out to Central Mass, drawn by a call of the wild.
Yeah, I mean, that's one of the reasons why I decided to live out here and make a schlep, because of what's out here is extraordinary, and there just aren't that many people that come out here.
Doan's Falls, one of Bowery's favorites, features 5 distinct waterfalls, dropping a total of 175 feet.
So it is really a series of cascades. I guess we could probably better say that we are at Doan's Falls, a collection of falls.
A heavenly spot for sure, though not without its earthly particulars.
Even in the ethereal nature, we even have black flies here, just to remind us of our humanity.
Our waterfall road trip continues out Route 2 to one of our favorite spots, Shelburne Falls, named after its roaring waterfall. But this community is probably best known for the Bridge of Flowers, which brings a boatload of color to this old trolley bridge over the Deerfield.
Another must-see in Shelburne Falls, the famous glacial potholes. Only one thing, we learned there may be a bit of false advertising.
Shelburne Falls is known for the glacial potholes, but I'm really sorry to inform you that these are not glacial. They can't be glacial. They came after the glacier.
If you're heartbroken to hear the potholes aren't glacial, well, geologist Richard D. Little has a consolation prize.
The unique thing about this spot is that we have armored mud balls.
That's right, folks. A bit further downstream in Turner's Falls, Little made a huge discovery.
They're only found in a very few places of the whole world, and no place can you see them.
Armored mud balls. Petrified balls of mud encrusted with pebbles picked up as they rolled along ancient river bottoms. Only one other armored mud ball exists in the U.S.
There is one in Montana. Otherwise, that's it.
But Greenfield Community College is loaded with the things, laid out in what is called the Geopath.
We've got the smallest ones, we've got the biggest ones, we've got the only ones. This is the world headquarters for armored mud balls, right here.
Meanwhile, back at the falls, the fact that the potholes aren't glacial doesn't mean there isn't much to celebrate here, says Little.
It's like nature's lava lamp. This is some of the prettiest rock in the whole world.
All right, we've seen and done a lot of stuff. Armored mud balls.
Anthony, you never know what you will run into on a waterfalls road trip. And that trio of waterfalls out in Royalston, well, it makes for a great road trip from the Boston area. And the best part of it, it's all free.
All free.
The show is free.
It's out there waiting for you. An overnight trip to the falls? Well, some accommodations are not for everyone.